So in today's video, we will learn how to create thumbnails using AI prompts. So you can see a lot of thumbnails today are generated using AI, right? And while there are some platforms which are advanced, most of them are paid. So I will use one platform which I have shown in previous tutorials also, called as VidIQ. While I have the paid version, I will try to show in this tutorial using the free version, where there is a limit for per day count, how many thumbnails you can create. In the paid version, you can create unlimited thumbnails and edits, right? So let's go and try creating a thumbnail. So this is a free version, I'm not paying for anything, right? So I'm clicking here on click, and you can see there are options. So I'm clicking on thumbnails now. Let's take an example of you want to create a thumbnail for this video, wherein how to create a thumbnail, right? So that's the topic, and we'll type a prompt: create a thumbnail for a video which is a tutorial for creating thumbnails using AI prompt. Now here I am giving the logic and I am expecting them to create by themselves. The other scenario is you can define how you want the elements in the thumbnail to be created, right? So you can either describe that, suppose the video is about Eiffel Tower, you can describe how the Eiffel Tower should be in the background, it is sunset or night, or you can describe the whole scenario and they will create the thumbnail likewise, or you can describe the content of the video. There are also other points wherein you can upload the video file and they will create the thumbnail basis the content of the file. You can give reference wherein a similar video is created by some other YouTuber. You can give the reference of that video. You can browse or upload, and they will use that reference. You can have faces and objects wherein you can upload any face or object and they will include that in your thumbnail. For now, I'm just giving this prompt and let's see what it creates. So keep in mind, this is the free version, this is not a paid version. And as per my understanding, you can create 3 thumbnails free per day using AI prompt in the free version. The paid version has unlimited thumbnail creation. So you see, they have basis our input created 3 thumbnails, and which are not bad, maybe I will use this. Now you can again edit these thumbnails, right? Like if you want to change the text, if you want to change anything, so maybe I would just say include, oh sorry, so you can see I pressed enter by before by mistake, so I'm just selecting the previous version and I'm saying include YouTube logo above the text, about the title. Just keep the image as it is, right? Very clear input. Let's see how it makes the changes in the thumbnail. So they have included, which is not exactly correct, but the point is you can edit this further, right? Okay, so I primarily like this one, and while there are limits on how much you can do modification for a day in the free version, I will download this, and further I think I would like to incorporate a YouTube logo over here and some text with my branding. So for that I will go to my Canva, which is again a free version. I'm already updating uh, my existing thumbnails over here, so the template is set. I will just go over there. So these are my existing logos. Just click on duplicate, remove this file from here, right? I just bring this and this to back. I will shift this above for clarity. Okay, and I want to incorporate YouTube logo. YouTube logo file downloaded, and I will just pull that. You can also maybe over here. You can add any text or anything from Canva over here. If this is okay, you can just click on download and select. I'm selecting the current page, and our thumbnail is ready in less than a minute. Right now, obviously, you can do many more modifications. You can have much more advanced and better ones. But if the work gets done in half a minute, and if you're running short on time, so if you see, for my other channels, I've been creating these thumbnails likewise. I just use the AI generated image, and then put my basic branding over here and some text addition if required. I've been doing that, and it saves a lot of time. Obviously, there are other platforms like Pixels, which are paid versions, but then over there you have to pay, and then you can create much better thumbnails. So my paid version, you can see over here, I will show you how many thumbnails I have created, and the history of it. There are unlimited modifications you can do. There are unlimited creations you can do, right? So I have been creating a lot of thumbnails, and not that it is highly impactful, but then there are many features in the paid version wherein you get a thumbnail score, and you can optimize it. You can do n number of changes, right? So if you just see for my other channel, which is I am Saave, which is a travel based channel content, you can see it generates a thumbnail score, and you can keep on editing it. You can get title suggestions to make it more better, right? So it helps while creating thumbnails and titles. If you are interested, do check in the VidIQ link in the description, from where you can buy the subscription if you are interested, and then use all the features. There are n number of features. You can find keywords for search engine optimization, ideas, competitors, subscribers. You can create thumbnails and a lot of things. You can create shorts from your long video. So there are a lot of features. If you are someone who is committed to growing your YouTube channel, you can buy the subscription by the link I have shared in the description. Else, this is the easiest way to create a thumbnail and just go and upload on your video. And obviously, you can keep on creating in the free version 3 thumbnails per day. That's good enough. I feel if you're creating 1 or 2 videos a week, you still get around 21 thumbnails for a week in the free version. And for 2 videos, 21 options are good enough to try and experiment with. So do like and subscribe if you're finding the inputs for your YouTube journey useful, and do drop in comments if you're not able to find solution to any of the queries or roadblocks you're facing while uploading or creating or editing, or in general any other feature relating to YouTube. Thanks. Do subscribe and like the video.